What is up, guys? This is Enderman6589 or Thick Carrot or whatever. So I've seen a video about how to file edit in MSM, but it was like kind of painful, so I'm gonna do a better one. So basically, what we have here is APK Editor, and if you don't have APK Editor, it was on the App Store for a bit. They took it off. You probably don't have it, but if you do, that's good for you. Get into that. If you don't, well, then I'll probably have a link in the description. So what you want to do is go to select APK from app. Go to My Singing Monsters. As you can see, I changed the icon already because it's a thick carrot. Simple edit. You could probably do this on another version of an APK editor, but I can't really figure out one. So go to Assets, GFX, and then, well, I mean, you can change this stuff too, but the most exciting thing to change is monsters. So, like, I changed the pummel. Well, I didn't change the pummel, but, you know, the guy who did the thing for me, he changed the pummel. I'm just looking at the files. I haven't changed anything because I'm too lazy to. But here's this thing. Some of these might look familiar if you've seen my other videos. So you get the point. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna save one of them, and then you're just gonna open a file. I mean, not a file. A picture editor of some kind. I'm not really gonna show that because it's not necessary. You just need to save it with this button right here, and just pick a folder, and then you just need to edit it any way you want. I use Photo Suite because it's awesome. You don't need to do that though. So then what you do is you hit this button with the pencil and the paper, and that is file replacement. So then you have to choose the right one, the one you edited. Don't choose a different one because it'll end up looking like a horrible monstrosity. Trust me. So after you've done that, you're just gonna click save. That says close because I haven't done anything. But, you know. So if I go to, like, let's just save. Hold on. Move. Save this. Yep. And then I'm gonna go to another one of my islands, which is Sky 2. No, that's not what I want. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna replace it with this sky. Then I'm gonna hit save. And it's gonna bring you to this screen. It's gonna say working. And I'm just gonna pause it because it takes a long time for it to work. So I'll be back. Okay, so I am back. You get a screen like this. So you can press the remove button, but I don't suggest it because when I did it, it just got me out of here and it didn't save the project. For some reason, it just doesn't save my projects. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get out of there, and then I'm gonna go uninstall MSM. So here I have MSM. The reason it's in my secure folder is because logging into Facebook will not work if it's outside of the secure folder, which might just be a problem on my end, but I know for sure that it works when you put it in a secure folder. So that's where I have it. Anyways, so just gonna uninstall this. There we go. Now it's gone. Now I'm gonna go back into APK Editor. I'm gonna click install. And then I'll just pause it for when it's installed. The app is installed. So now we just open it. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to pause it again because I don't want you to know my Facebook login information. So I'm just gonna pause it right now so I can log in. Please work. Alright, so we're back. No, I'm pretty sure I edited, like, I think Air Island sky, but honestly, I don't know. So we're just gonna look for a sky that looks out of place. This is the first time I've messed with, this, actually. So I hope that, I don't know how to pronounce his name. I'm gonna call him Reed. I don't know how Reed will feel about this. Hopefully he'll be chill. I mean, he was talking about, like, handing the operation over to me anyways. But he said he wasn't done yet. Also, I'm going to be making part 2 of the showcase, because there was a huge update, in case you didn't know. When you first install this, it's probably going to take, like, a long time to load, because it's new. But you get to enjoy the music. Oh, I need to check out Sky. Sky looks normal, I think. Pretty sure it's Air Island that I made different. If it's not Air Island, I don't know what else it could be. Yep, it's Air Island. Look at that. Look at that sky. Huh. That's pretty cool. Well, this has been How to File Edit. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys later.